Not too much. Let me introduce the girls. Watch your mouth, okay?
You can't get enough and you don't know why.
Hey lifers, that's gonna be my new thing, because if you came to my channel, especially if you came back, you already know I'm promoting life, live to the fullest. If you're new here, then hi, it's Jackie here, and go ahead and sit down, relax, because I'm sure you're gonna love it here. If you're returning, you already know I appreciate you, and thank you for coming back. But today, we turning this to this, okay? Not too much, not too much. Worry about yourself. So if you want to see that, keep watching. Okay, here we go, y'all. This is the Freetress Ponytail Pop. It has the bang and the ponytail, okay? The bang, it has 2 combs at the bottom and 1 at the top. And the actual ponytail has 2 combs and the drawstring. And I don't quite know how this gonna happen, but y'all know your girl, I'm gonna make something shake. Ooh, so this is what I'm working with, y'all. Can I have y'all bow your heads for a moment of silence, please? Babe, this is the morning after. And if you ever had your eyebrows microbladed before, this is the stage where you look like Krusty the Clown. When they start peeling and everything, being dry, I put some of the ointment on there, but they're still giving Krusty the Clown. But anywho, I'm getting ready to finish attempting putting on this ponytail and bang, okay? Because I have errands to run today, and I got to get up out of here. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my top. I know it don't say that, but anywho. I don't know which one I want to put on first. Yep. First of all, let me introduce the girls, because one ponytail, it wasn't going. One ponytail we couldn't do. Watch your mouth, okay? Let me introduce you to the girls. And I got another one back there. I don't even know why I put that there. I guess that's for some moral support when I put the because this is how it is. I don't know how this thing gonna stay on here. I'm be living life on the edge. I gotta make sure I put it down real good. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing on there. And this bang, we just gonna do it. But yeah, introduce you to the girls. Boom. Now we got that out of the way. Should I cut my hair first? Yes, I should. Let me get my stuff set up. Or should I cut it? Because y'all done seen me cut my hair before. Let me cut my hair and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back again. I done gave myself a little line up. Yeah. Where you at? Wait. Boom, there it is. I gave myself a little line up in the back or whatever, so now I'm ready to get on with this thing. So where do we go first? This is definitely a challenge for when it comes to thinking something out. Oh, I'm gonna manifest it, and then I'm gonna put it in work to do it. Bada boom. So, does it work all the time? No, but hey, you get the gist. So what I want to put on first? Probably the bang. Yeah, probably the bang. And it has these 3 combs on here. They doing a thing, y'all. We ain't had bangs in the pack when I was growing up, okay? Y'all got it easy. You had to make them bangs. Ooh, so I want to put it. No, them combs combing, you hear me? Okay, we gotta get these. I don't want to walk around in the store with the little plastic tag thing hanging off the hair. And you bend it to secure it. Ooh. This one I'm gonna push this way and secure it. It's to the pop. Boom. Y'all know y'all heard it. Boom. What? Okay, gotta make sure that thing ain't going nowhere. But I still probably might put a couple of bobby pins underneath there, because you can never be so too sure, because I didn't want to go too low back here because it's cold outside. And baby, if anybody knows about a cold ass scalp, it's me, because y'all know I keep my hair low. But it's cold outside. I didn't want to go too low, so I just took it. Yeah, keep it low. As you can tell, I love music, and I incorporate in that every step that I take, okay? And I encourage you to do the same, because just something about music. But yeah, I took it as low as it can go. And now we're gonna put this thing on and see how I look, and then I'm gonna do my little twerking. What is this, a screen? See, they'll have you out here looking like who was on the line, the manufacturing line. Hope I don't pull this thing out and the whole thing up. Okay, boom. Okay, as y'all know. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do with this thing. You always want to put the drawstring in the back so it'll be hanging over it. You don't want to put it in the front. Me and my mind. You can do it. You best believe I'm gonna try. But ooh, where am I gonna put this thing at? Because I don't actually have a ponytail. Watch your mouth. I can say that you can. Ooh. That thing on my scalp. You hear me? The scalp. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put some not safety pins. Some bobby pins in this thing. Did y'all see in the vision? Y'all seeing it? Let me see. Oh yeah, that was good putting that third little ponytail back there, because she doing what she's supposed to. She's securing the bag. Okay. What? Y'all see it. Y'all seeing the vision. Y'all better see it. Oh yeah, I might not have to put no thing on there. What? Hey, I want to thank my mom. You can do anything, okay? If you put your mind to it. You heard it here first. Ooh. Yeah. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing the vision. I'm seeing it. Little pushy, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna do something with this thing. Ooh, killer. I got a ponytail. You heard me right. I got a ponytail. Because the ponytail ain't got me, baby. I got this ponytail. I can't believe they selling hair with a bang in the pack now. I was in there like, what? A bang? Now see what I'm gonna do about this little space right here. It probably really ain't gonna matter. No, I'm gonna bring that hair up a little bit, because you had me looking crazy out here. Okay. Let me fix this thing up, and then I'm gonna be back. I ain't gonna make y'all sit through this. I ain't gonna make y'all sit through this, whatever. But I am gonna put some little bobby pins in here to make sure this thing stay where it's supposed to stay. You can't even really. It's gonna be a ponytail bang with an undercut. Boom. Okay, I'll be back. And this is the girl. Okay. Yes. Okay. I am done. It really didn't even care about the undercut, but I just liked it to look clean. Okay. So worry about yourself. But yeah, go ahead and put. Now this one is Fuchsia Kiss from my shop. You know, I always stick with Bratty, but this one got the little purple going on in here, so I'm gonna put on this one. It has like a little purplish iridescent tint. Can you see it? You can see it better outside, but before you see it, I know you see it. But okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna start a little playlist. I ain't gonna say series, because you know I ain't gonna be able to commit to that, because life happens. I'm a mommy over here. And it's better for me to say, okay, I'm going to do this and, you know, not call it a series, because a series, you got to keep that thing going. But I'm going to create a playlist, and in there, I'm going to put stuff that is quick for moms. Like, okay, mom hairdos, mom makeup. Because, baby, one thing y'all know about me, if I can do it, it's easy. Okay? And even if it's hard, I still might not even do it, because it just ain't gonna get done, because I'm not gonna overpay somebody else to do it. Okay? Mom life. Okay? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. This little piece of hair is about to work my whole nerve. Let me get some scissors. I didn't cut anything, but this little piece that's hanging in my eye got to go. You gotta go. You don't pay no rent here, you gotta go. But yeah, like this, it ain't much, but the makeup getting ready took me literally under 15 minutes, probably under 10. But I wanted the bangs because I wanted to, at this point right here, with the crusty healing of the microblade at Albert House, I wanted to, I can't do nothing with them, can't put no makeup on them or anything, so I just wanted to be able to put a bang on them things. And it's done. Yeah, I got dressed because I'm going to run some errands. I gotta go shop for a birthday, and it pains my heart to have to go out in these streets and shop, but I think I'm gonna manage. But anywho, I'm about to head out this door. It ain't sunny. Sun might not come out, but I'm ready. I got the shades to match the look, the little punk rock. I got the shades to match the look. If a sun do want to pop out, that sun want to pop out, I got the look. And I'm putting on my leather or my pleather. Not too much, not too much. A pleather biking jacket with the little zip on and whatever. Y'all see, I can't show y'all in here because it's downstairs. And I'm not going to get it. I'm going to get it when I get it, okay? Yeah. And as you can see, this is one of the jackets that I was going to put on. I got a slight dilemma. That's why I don't like choices. Oh, my God. But these are the sneakers I'm wearing today. Yeah, girl. I'll slap on some sneakers in a minute. But when I'm going to something that's... Give me the heels, okay? No sneakers. Because who wears heels all day? Not me. Okay, so y'all already know what I'm just to say. The girls who get it, and the ones that won't, don't. Oh, it's me. I'm in the backyard. But these are the sneakers that I'm wearing with it. I finally found some shirts that actually go with it. Cause you know, when you get loud shoes like this, it'd be a struggle. But I'm trying to decide if I want to wear this jacket. It gives a, you know, like another layer because it's shorter and you can see the actual color. What the hell? Post on socials. See? It gives another like layer because you can actually see the color of the shirt under it. But when you zip it up, it's like a crop jacket. That one, because I forgot I even had the green one in here. But I probably won't go with the green because it's just giving us a little bit too much green. But you could wear it together. Like this is the green. It ties on. It ties them in more like, okay, more tomboyish look because, okay, it's giving a little boyish look. But you can still wear it. But the black jacket that I was talking about is this one. And I got this off of my friend Amazon. So it'll be linked in the description. Did I get this from Amazon? I don't think so. I'm talking about the shirt. No, I don't think so. But this is the jacket that I was talking about putting on. Because it like ties it for me. Because, you know, the kiss band. And if the sun pop out, y'all know I'm ready. Y'all know I'm ready. But I think I'm going to go with this. Because y'all know I'm extra. Just a tad bit. So, yeah, I'm gonna go with this. I came outside initially to check my babies, but I know they watered because it rained last night, okay? But I'm getting ready to head out in these streets. so I can go and shop. But if you've made it this far to this video, child, give me a like, because you still here. You still here. Just go ahead and give me a like. You might as well subscribe too. But anywho, live. That's the message. That's in order. Live. That is the message. See you on the next one.
My bills paid, rent paid,